Okay guys, so in this video we are gonna talk about how you can run Android in your PC. So if you want to install any kind of Android application in your Windows PC, it can be Windows 10, Windows 11 or any kind of version of the Windows. But if you want to install Android in it so that you can run Android apps, then this is the video you should see. Because let me tell you guys, we are not going to use any kind of emulator like BlueStacks etc. Because emulator causes performance issues. I know that guys. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna install an Android mobile phone in your PC, if that makes sense. Like guys, you have a Windows operating system right now in your PC, but what you can do is you can just install Android operating system in your PC too. And this is what we're gonna learn in this video. Let me tell you guys, we are not going to uninstall our Windows. What we are gonna do is we are gonna install this Android operating system in a virtualized environment so that you are not going to delete your Windows. You're not going to do any kind of that stuff. We are gonna just install Android in our PC. Okay, so let's begin guys. Okay, so guys, the first step you have to do is you have to go to Google and download something called VMware Player. This is the virtualization software guys which we will use to run Android. Okay, you can just run any kind of virtualized machine in it like Windows 10, Windows 11, Linux, anything. But in this video we are going to install Android in it. Okay, so you just go to the link and guys download this VMware Workstation Player. When you download it, just install the setup and then run it. After you run it guys, then go to Player, then go to File, then you can see the new virtual machine, then click on that. When you click on that, it will require you to give it an installer disk image, which is the ISO file. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna download the ISO file, which is the image file of the Android operating system, and the name of the Android operating system which we are gonna install today is the Prime OS guys. So we're just gonna install Prime OS. So yeah guys, go to the link primeos.in. When you go to that link, you just click on download now, then you just select the latest version which is available. When you download the image guys, this is all you're gonna need. You just gonna download the image, then you just go back to the Visor software guys, the VMware Workstation Player. When you go to that guys, select the ISO file we just downloaded, then click on next. When you click on next, it will require you to select a guest operating system, which we are gonna go with Linux guys. After you go with that, then just click on next guys. Then name your virtual machine guys. I'm gonna name it Victor Mobile. Then I will click on next. Then I will give the maximum size 10 GB. I think it's enough for me for this testing purposes. You can just give it more space if you want. Then click on finish. After you click on finish, your virtual machine is created. Then click on play virtual machine. When you click on play virtual machine, you're gonna need to install the Prime OS right now guys. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna click on installation. Then when you click on installation, then it's gonna install the Prime OS to hard disk. But what you can do is you can also run it live without any installation. But if you are going to use it for a longer term guys, then you will need to install it on a hard disk so that the apps remain. So yeah guys, install it on the hard disk. Click on that. When you click on that, it will load for some time. Then it will just tell you to choose a partition. Just click on OK guys. When you click on OK guys, you're just gonna see a pop-up which is called you want to use GPT. Click on no. Then you will see a partition which is showing you that a free space is available. Then you just create a new primary partition and select enter. After you do that guys, just select the right option. When you select the right option, then you just have to type yes there, and when you type yes there, then you'll see a pop-up which is called writing partition table to the disk. It will take some time guys, but remember to make it bootable before writing to the disk guys. So if you see the bootable option there, then just click on bootable first, then write the data. Then select yes guys. Then after the writing partition is completed, then you'll see the partition which is 10 gigs. Then click on OK. Then it will show you some kind of file system format. Then you can select ext4. Then you can just format it by going to yes, and it will show you, do you want to install bootloader grub? Then you just have to click on yes because we are gonna install grub. Otherwise it will not boot guys. After you select yes guys, it will just write the thing. Then you can just reboot the system again to see the Prime OS in working guys. So as you can see, Prime OS is loading right now. It is showing me that please enter your details. So I'll just enter my details like username and thing. Then it will set up my apps. Then as you can see guys, my Android operating system is right now running and I can do anything I want to do because right now I have a new Android phone guys in my PC guys. So I can just go to Google Play. I can log in my Gmail ID. Then I can just download any kind of game and play it. As you can see, the game is running like a charm guys. It is running very smoothly guys, and I can just change any kind of wallpaper, and that's done guys. I am now ready to install any kind of apps in my new Android operating system. I think you guys got the video. If you want to install it, then please follow all these steps. Otherwise you may see some problems. So if you don't want to see any kind of problem, then please follow the full video. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.